In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay account. By the end, you'll be ready to browse, buy, and if you choose, start selling. All you need is a web browser, an email you can access right away, and a mobile phone for verification. First, head to the eBay sign-up page in your browser. You can go directly to the registration link or visit the eBay homepage and look for the register option near the top. Clicking register takes you to a simple form where you'll begin creating your account. If you land on the homepage first, don't worry. Register is easy to spot, and both paths lead to the same place. Next, choose the type of account you want. A personal account is perfect for buying and casual selling. If you're planning to sell frequently, manage inventory, or operate as a company, pick a business account. This choice mainly affects how your profile appears and what tools you'll have later, so select the one that matches how you intend to use eBay. Now, enter your details. For a personal account, you'll provide your name, a valid email address, and a strong password. Aim for at least 8 characters with a mix of letters and numbers, and consider adding symbols for extra security. Using a password manager can help you generate and store a secure password you won't have to memorize. When everything looks good, click Create Account. You may also see options to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. These can speed things up by using your existing login, and you'll still be able to adjust your eBay settings later. After you sign up, eBay will ask you to verify. Check your email for a confirmation link or a code. Open that message and follow the instructions to confirm your account. You may also be prompted to add a phone number. This helps with account recovery and security, and you might receive a text with a one-time code. Enter it when prompted. Keep these codes private and avoid sharing them with anyone. Once your email is confirmed and basic setup is complete, you can start exploring. You're ready to search for items, add them to your cart or watch list, and make purchases. If you'd like to sell, eBay may guide you through additional steps, such as adding payout information and confirming your identity. That ensures smooth transactions and helps protect both you and your buyers. That's it. Your eBay account is ready. Take a moment to review your profile, update your address and notification preferences, and you're all set to enjoy the marketplace.